Ultimate Chicken Horse. I got the game on for the chickens. What do you mean? And we are just gonna play, yeah. And I added my chicken some accessories. Yeah, he has overalls, and he's gonna go to a dance party. Woo! Every dance party needs a link. Oh, the horse dressed up fancy today for the dance party. A beautiful bow tie and a hat. No, don't do it. You're gonna make it okay. Oh, oh, a new level. No, I died. Oh no, yes. The fox made it, and the dog's barking. Watch out! There's a hockey puck. No! Who's gonna win this one? Oh, everyone keeps falling off, but Fox is still alive. That's not the fox. Fox got hit by the cheese, but somehow walked it off. The horse with a bow tie has no chance. We must stop the raccoon. I have a strategy. Hmm. Yay. No, don't make it harder, you raccoon. You silly raccoon. No! No! Everyone's running down. Wah, wah, wah. I'm gonna explode it. Come on, horse, you've got to do this. No! Shall I be pestered by this infernal glance? Ah! No, the raccoon's gonna make it! He's such a raccoon! Uh, the raccoon looks like it doesn't matter. The raccoon's dead. I don't know what just happened there. I have an idea. Those don't usually happen to me. Dance party, dance party. Ha 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 ha. Look at my chicken. Oh no. It's all up to me, isn't it? The chicken master that no one can suppress. But he stares down at the face of defeat and says, that is the face of defeat. Ha! Yeah! Ooh, come back! Ah, chicken wearing overalls making a big change in you. What's the raccoon gonna do about it? I don't know. Oh, didn't make it. Will the raccoon? No, the raccoon took your strategies. He just got hit by a tennis ball. But I can still make it. I have his hat points. I have to come back. I am the real winner. And the horse is the real top-hatted horse. Destiny. No! Oh no. This is bad for the horse with the top hat and the raccoon with the sweater. Now that I think about it, this is kind of a bad map to show off my new skin. Because it doesn't show! The facts are too powerful for the raccoon! And he explodes and dances forever. He's a odd panda, I never knew that. I think it would be cool if I did. Ornaments. What's a what's a horse? Pyramid. Ha! Angry chicken at 12 o'clock. Chicken. Not any chicken. It's a map I make. Yes. Look, this is great grandfather chicken of all things. Chicken. Oh no! Someone made it! But we must get past the chicken. We cannot let this slide. Oh, Daddy must get past it. I'm able to make it. Yeah. I'm gonna make it fast. Ah! I didn't make it! No. No! The red panda made it! What's this guy gonna do about it? Is he gonna get punched by the plant? Why don't you get punched by the plant? Actually, no, he needs to make this up. The raccoon can't win. That's my one goal in life, to make the raccoon not win. Oh, the raccoon's winning! I must stop him. The thing must be thing-defied. I got rid of the thing so that the chicken can wear overalls. Wait, what? Amazing! I'm on the chicken's beak. I'm on the chicken's beak. That's where you reach a peak. I'm on the chicken's beak. Chicken's beak. Chicken's beak. That's how you reach a peak. I'm on the chicken's beak. Okay. Time to not mess up. Ooh, I messed up. No. Yes, but this is good. The raccoon isn't winning. I'm gonna stop the raccoon. I'm gonna stop the raccoon. The raccoon is a raccoon. Oh no, but the black hole. This is bad. They summoned the black holes for my chicken to eat. My chicken to eat. Ha! However, I got past the black hole. No, no. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. No, he gets a coin. I must stop him from winning. This is still good. We're still in this. Can still stop him. As a team. I said as a team. Oh no, we can't do this, guys. He's setting up contraptions. No, the horse got hit by an arrow, but it's fine. He'll scratch it off. No, he didn't scratch it off. He died of cancer in 2028. What? I have a nuke. Yes, I have a nuke. That is a nuke. Yes, I have a nuke to blow up the thing. Because the thing isn't allowed on the thing. Oh! You're making it worse. Oh no! We cannot let him win. No. No! It's my ultimate goal to stop him from winning all the games. But he's gonna get eaten by the chicken because he's so stuck in the dancing coma of 1957 billion. What if we do another one? A real catastrophe. That's the name, and it's like a real catastrophe. It's the name, the catastrophe. Because catastrophe is a cat. Yeah! A real cat taste. Yay! At a party. I say everybody party. 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 Oh. What do you do? Oh, you quitter. See, I can make it. The horse is such a quitter. He didn't even try. I'm gonna get. No! They died too! Don't you dare do it. No! He got hit! You hacker! No! He got me! Stop him! I must stop him. I must stop him. He cannot win. This is unacceptable. Delay. There you go. Something to stop him forever. I died. It's all up to the raccoon now. It's all up to the raccoon now. It's all up That did not go well, but no worries. We can always try another one, yeah. Ooh. want to test it out first? Okay. No, I didn't make it. Aw, I didn't make it. It's time. It's time to do something about not making it. It's not making it. It's bad and online not making it. No one ever. No, no. What are you doing, Julian? No. I volunteer to go first this time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me want points. Me want points. Hookah chunka, hookah chunka, hookah chunka. Hoo. Yeah. Woo! Super jump. Woo, yeah. Not to not. Actually, I don't know what my goal is. Not fun. How about that? Yeah. Not a fun. How about? Let's go first. Ooh. Oh, that's horrifying. Ah, I died. Ooh. That's only a single time. So I'm thinking that he hasn't won a single time. Yeah. Time to go. Haha, look at me. Woo! Yeah, we win. We win, yeah. It's totally not like I'm not right next to the flag. Fine. Woo! What do you think my goal is? Not to get last. Hope I achieve that. It doesn't look like he's doing good, but anything can happen. Just like this disappear! Oh, hey, I died again! What is the raccoon trying to do? What? He died anyways. No, I'm gonna try that because I think that I'm better. Yeah, I'm gonna get a stick of diamond. I'm gonna add a cookie to the cookie. I died. No. Hey, I got the achievement. I'm the real winner. And I didn't get him last, because I got the trap. I trapped. Okay, gonna do one or two more. It depends. I'm gonna go down to Leah. Yeah, the two and elephants, because they're one night. Now I hope the raccoon because we're one of a mind. Okay. Either the raccoon or me winning is acceptable because now we're kind of on the team. I want a jetpack view. Do we? No. No. There we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. No more jetpacks. Can't believe we duplicated it. That was funny. No, I hope I don't die. I hope I don't die. I hope I don't die on an ice cream. By the way, I made this map. Do you think it looks good? It's a lot of hard to walk into. Oh, she got the coin. You got the coin! I didn't even think of that. Oh no. Oh no. I made this map though. Yay. Mm. Someone was kicked. I don't know who. But I made it! Go! Oh, that guy was kicked. I'm gonna put it right there. It's Mr. I'm doing. Ooh. Just gonna get rid of this. Oh, no one can get it. See the raccoon. Oh, the raccoon. The raccoon's trying to get it. Oh, he has it all in the palm of his time span. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like jetpacks. This is fun to watch. Will he make it? Climb up! No! Oh, thanks. Okay, time to get rid of it. No, mix it. I don't know. I got rid of the jetpack. Who did that? You can't get it anymore, huh? I'll be winning. And it's the best thing I've ever heard of ever. kind of weird how there's a flamethrower right next to ice cream, you know? Hi. Woo! No! Yes! Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. So I get, but so I. No. 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 This is horrible. Are you gonna put? Oh, no. No. Oh no. 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 What can I do? Oh no. Oh, someone. Go. Wait. Remember, me and the Racoon are on a team. A team. A team. Yes. But I can still win. Yeah. But hide right now. My gosh. That's so kind of you. I can't feel more tied. Well done, he says. Oh, I have a chance. This is my moment. I can win in a video on recording again. The hockey pucks aren't gonna do anything because they're hockey pucks. Yeah. Sorry. You can still win though. It's great. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah. Okay. Didn't explode nothing. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, but I can win. This is my chance. This is my moment. That's got to be the most funniest moment ever. Watch out, 18 bombs. This is my moment. That's got to be the funniest thing I've ever seen since I've seen things. We all about it. We all about it. Oh no 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 no! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't you first. Do it the epic way. Yes. Hide. No, I died. We all died. No. I was gonna win. Time to blow up this thing. Sorry, I had to do it. I'm sorry, but you gave me. Oh, 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 oh. No, 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 no. Get it. Get it. Oh. Ooh, this is not good if he wins. This moment. Shining moment. No. No. It's tied. There's 3 turns left. Only chance is to do this so perfectly. Oh no. No. Oh no. This is anyone's fame. Oh, did I die again? Never think that strategy again. Keeps leading me to. No, 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 no. Oh, this is hard. But we are on a team after all, so technically, there's no way I can lose. I said it from the beginning. I just can't wait to win. So I can't lose no matter what. Because the other guy left, and no one likes the other guy. Hi, hi, hi. Hi. I made it, but at what cost? Go down there. No, the poop. No. I won! Oh, what a game. What a game. Anyways, thank you for watching Ultimate Chicken Watch episode 8.